Yo, we out here. You see us, upstate New York. We about to cross the street right now. That's what you gotta do, man. You got bulls, you gotta walk them. You can't stay in the house all day. You gotta walk them. It's about to be a terrible thing. But we out here. We out here. About to at the store. We gotta cross the street. We city walkers, though. We about to do this. Hold on. Pick my guy up. Pick my guy up so we can cross that. Pick my guy up so we can cross that. Oh. Yeah, baby. Cross the street. Cross the street. Cross the street. Good. Let's go. Oh. Now he's back down. You at the spot. Upstate New York, gas prices. Come on. Alright, about to go in the store. Come on, mama. You wanna wait out here? You wanna wait out here? You wanna come in with me? Huh? Romeo. You ready to go in? Alright, we going in. Hey, what's up, buddy? Not much. Just in here with the pup. Grab a few things. Let's go with you, player. You know I need that grabba.
Grabba?
Oh yeah. Come to New York, you gotta get grabba. Let me get some black rolls also.
Hot crush?
Yeah, hot crush, grabba, yeah. And some black rolls also. All right. Get back with you.